Again, today is absolutely chucking it down, but I wanted to dress nice because we are moving on now. I've forgotten what the place is called, but we'll tell you when we get there. But I bought this skirt yesterday. I think she's very cute. We've got a stretchy touch, but it is a travel day today and it is raining, so let me show you how I get all of my bags on. Usually with like all of my bags and everything, they're not as full as what they are now, but because of the dry bags for the weather and everything, it's made them a lot more full. Okay. So let's go. Okay, so I'll put the big one on first. There we go. So we're walking to be a little bit closer. It's very kind of treacherous and I definitely have just been bitten or stung by something.
Action girl. You can do it.
So we've just climbed up to get to the viewpoint. And it is so pretty. The water's not cold.
It's not warm, but it's not even cold. Spider-Man. This is how the modern woman climbs. Pass me on. Look at that. Spider-Woman. Ow. I'm gonna get out and have a little look.
Sorry. It's okay?
Have you got really tight hold of that?
Yeah.
Good. There you go.
Oh my god, it's raining. Oh god, it's raining.
So we are in the tea region of Sri Lanka and we have found this place called Tea St Clair, and we've just thought we'd stop and have a cup of tea, and it's got a museum added to it, but it's really nice. They call it the Tea Castle is what they call it. So here it's a bit cloudy, but yeah, we've ordered a cup of tea and a slice of cake. There's an old museum in there and a bit of a shop, and yeah, let's see how tasty it is. So we are currently getting dressed this morning. Elizabeth's doing her hair and putting a nice new scrunchie.
So we went to the tower and we'd filmed a really good video. Just our luck that we'd changed the settings on the GoPro and it was a time lapse. So yeah. Tower symbolises unity of all the religions in Sri Lanka. So it's a nice symbol of everyone coming together. I'm just getting nervous about like how high it's going to be and how narrow.
It's 157 foot.
You might get a video of me having a panic attack more than anything. As my heart's pounding. Ow.
It's flashing. Quick, call the police. Oh, there's some stairs here. You having fun? The wind's kicking off now, so we're not quite at the top, but this is his view. Let's go. It's getting narrow, getting really narrow, and yeah, You okay, Elizabeth?
Oh my days.
Just don't look down.
That's all I'm doing.
This wind is ridiculous. Legs are going a bit jelly now. We've still got all that to go. Oh. Elizabeth's acting like she's not absolutely petrified right now.
You can tell I'm petrified.
Oh, holy. So, there's not exactly a lot of room here to move. That's right up to my head. Head's touching the ceiling.
I am scared for my life right now. This is extremely narrow. It's like 2 foot wide. We are so high up. I'm holding my skirt down. I'm very scared.
Right.
Here you go. Show how narrow it is.
Yeah, so this is the sort of...
This is how narrow the top is.
We're not even at the top yet.
My hips.
Elizabeth.
Oh, I can't fit my hips to do it.
Turn sideways. Oh, whose idea was it to wear a skirt? Who suggested wearing trousers or shorts? We'll go in there. Is it very narrow?
Yes.
Hey! More narrow as you go up. Yeah. Ah.
Oh, that sounds horrible.
So in a little hidey spot.
Can I at least sort my hair out before you...
Looking frazzled. Alright, let's go for it. Woohoo! Oh! What would you keep the spoil for? So there is passing spots. Wow. Oh. Oh, you're good, babe, you're here. We made it. We're at the top. So, did it. Just look at the views.
We are so high up. And it's so windy. The skirt is going crazy. We are literally at the top. It was really quiet actually. On TikTok it says that it's really busy. But actually we've had no queue and there's no queue behind us either. Yeah, it was terrifying. Definitely worth it though. What? That one's a selfie. So these are all of the places of worship. And yeah, I've just found out this one's also Buddhist. So this one and this one is Buddhism.
Temple.
Yeah, and then
this is the type of tree that Buddha sat under. So near everybody's temple, you'll see one of these trees that's usually protected.
But yeah, so we've got Buddhism, Hinduism, Islam and Christianity. I have already recorded all of this on the GoPro, but just to get some other videos. This one here is the tallest mountain in Sri Lanka. We are currently at a tea factory. We, as you can see behind me, we were at the tower this morning, but there were some issues with the GoPro and our SD card. So some of the videos have slightly corrupt, which is quite upsetting. I'll post what I have, but I'm gonna start taking videos on my phone as well as the GoPro. The only reason why all of the videos are on the GoPro is because it was absolutely terrifying up there. But now we are at a tea farm, about to do some tea tasting. We just went around the factory. Nobody's working today just because, as I said, there was a big celebration the past few days, so everyone has been off. And we had a slight power cut, but honestly, I'm very excited to try this tea.
Golden.
So silver,
Silver,
golden,
golden.
And this one silver, golden and tea flower.
tea
mixed
flower.
one.
Okay. Uh-huh.
And this is the green tea.
Green tea.
You can use small glasses for taste. You can use like this. You can
Yeah.
try all.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
So we're doing some tea tasting now. Gold tea, silver tea. Is this
Mixed.
mixed gold and silver with flowers, and then a green tea. We've got some very teeny tiny mugs to try the tea with. So this is quite exciting.
We got tea cake.
Right, I'm going to start this end, so...
Yeah, I'm
I'll
going to work my
start.
way up.
I'll work my way down.
Oh, I'm going to start with the green tea.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, that's a good tea. I'm excited to try this one. So this is one with the flowers.
Yeah, that's one I'm most looking forward to trying, the one with the flowers.
So it's quite like a golden.
That gold one's nice, not very strong.
Yeah, these ones are the really fancy ones that are not very strong.
They're the ones without any tannins and...
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I prefer the silver one to the gold one.
That one's nice. Oh, I could drink that one all the time.
Mm.
That's nice. I
That
love
flower one's, I think that's my favourite so
the
far.
flower one so far has been mine.
Do the same again.
Please.
Thank you.
You want green
green
tea?
Bit
yeah?
of green, please, yeah, which is going to be interesting because I don't usually like green tea.
Oh, that one's nice. I think I like the gold tea and the one with the flowers. I do like the green tea and then the silver.
Tea.
Okay.
Is that what they do? 2 leaves and 1 bud for...
Yeah.
Right.
That's all they pick. So all that light green is that.
Yeah. What's your review?
Unbelievable. Really nice.
It's really good.
Yeah.
I'm gonna live vicariously through you. I'm so jealous.
You'd really...
Oh.
You'd really
You.
enjoy this.
For the 3 days. He'll be happy with that.
Yeah.